Hi guys, and welcome to our video about the power of artificial intelligence in marketing. If you want to take your business to the next level, you'll want to catch every single episode of this video. AI marketing offers companies incredible opportunities to better understand and interact with their customers, leading to increased revenue and brand loyalty. In this video, we'll look at how AI revolutionizes the marketing landscape and share some tips and strategies for implementing AI marketing in your own business. So let's start.
Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of process documents and wishing you had an AI-powered system to help you navigate through them? Well, look no further than Jackrabbit Ops. This unique tool is an AI documentation software that helps businesses efficiently create and manage their process documentation. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can quickly generate process documentation in just 24 hours. How? The AI uses artificial intelligence to quickly and accurately create processes that train itself through data from templates, imports, videos, and charts. And once it has been trained on your specific techniques, it can provide answers to questions by your business processes. But here's the best part. The AI-generated processes are quickly revised and updated, allowing you to make changes and perfect responses in no time. And the best part? You can try Jackrabbit Ops for free without providing any credit card details. Say goodbye to the tedious task of constantly keeping up with changes in business operations and digging through processes to find answers. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can chat with your business like you're talking to a human. It's like having your assistant, but better. And it's available 24/7 and never takes a day off. But that's not all. Jackrabbit Ops is cost efficient too. It helps you save on cost by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, which allows your employees to focus on more critical and value-adding tasks. Plus, it can also help to improve employee morale and job satisfaction. One of the best features of Jackrabbit Ops is its centralized platform where all your business's critical information is stored. This enables you to access data from anywhere and at any time, and it can help you to identify patterns and trends in your business, which will help you make data-driven decisions that lead to growth and success. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Jackrabbit Ops today and start seeing the benefits immediately. It's like having a general manager who is always available and gives you the correct answers at the right time. Make Jackrabbit Ops the best hire you ever made and see your business grow like never before. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can rest assured that your business operations are safe and you can focus on what matters, growing your business. Have you heard about AI technology's buzz and its impact on the creative world? It's been taking the world by storm, and it's hard not to come across some fantastic AI-generated art. And with the rapid advancements in the field, more and more startups are popping up, eager to bring AI to the masses. One such company making waves is Movio, an AI video creation platform co-founded by Carnegie Mellon alumni Joshua Zhu and Wen Liang. They started the company in December 2020 to make video production accessible and affordable for everyone. And they're on the right track. With a customer base of over 200,000 people and funding of over $9 million from investors like Sequoia Capital, IDG, Gen Fund, and Baidu Ventures, Movio is undoubtedly making a mark. So what's so special about Movio? It's an online video tool that leverages AI technology to help marketers create professional quality videos with text-to-speech avatars in minutes. There is no need for expensive editing, shooting costs, or even prior video editing experience. With Movio, you get everything you need to take your video production to the next level. Storyboarding, ideas, stylish templates, extensive editing capabilities, and professional publishing. And the best part? You can try the service for free. Head to the Movio website and click on the Try Movio for Free button on the home page. No email address or account is required. From there, you can choose from over 200 templates and 80 human avatars to start your video, add your script in the text or audio, and begin using editing tools. You can also upload your images, videos, or music. One of the standout features of Movio is the ability to add a fully customizable human avatar as a spokesperson for your videos. And that's not all. The editing software is also super flexible and easy to use, with 20 language options, creative styles, multi-scene video capabilities, unlimited 1080 pixels uploading, and easy video sharing. Now, while you can try out Movio for free, there are limits to the video production time and a watermark will be added. But for $30 per month, the basic plan gives you 10 minutes of video production, unlimited hosting, automatic subtitles, priority video processing, and the branding kit. And for those who need more, there's the Pro plan for $225 a month, offering 90 minutes of video production, everything in the Essentials plan, and access to the API. And if more is needed, Movio also has an enterprise option that can be customized to fit your needs. In conclusion, Movio is a game changer in the video production world, offering high-quality professional marketing videos at a fraction of the cost and without the need for extensive video editing experience. Although it's still new technology, it's improving every day, and it's worth giving it a shot. Plus, you won't lose anything by trying it out, so why not give it a go and see if it's a perfect fit for your needs? Have you heard of Copy AI? It's a fantastic tool for content creation. It uses natural language processing and deep learning to automate the content workflow and is available in over 25 languages. That's pretty cool. You can choose from various writing styles and tones depending on your target audience, making it a versatile tool for everyone, from social media managers and marketing agencies to freelance writers and business owners. With more than 90 tools and templates, you're sure to find something that fits your needs. One thing that sets Copy AI apart is its wide range of content templates. You can create anything from digital AD copy to social media posts, e-commerce copy, and YouTube scripts. And it's not just limited to short-form content. You can also use it for generating ideas for long-form content or blog posts. The best part? It's so easy to use. Sign up for an account via email, Google, or Facebook, and you'll be good to go. You'll even get 100 credits with each check costing 1 credit and generating 10 offers. That's enough to get a feel for the platform and see how accurate it is. When you're ready to create content, simply click on the template you want, enter your brand name and product description, and click Create Copy. It's that simple, and if you need to change the language, just go to the top right corner and select your preferred language. All your previous projects will be conveniently located in the top left corner, making it easier to manage your content creation. Copy AI even comes with a Chrome extension, so you can use it while working on other apps like Google Docs or Gmail. And if you're worried about plagiarism, the premium account includes a plagiarism checker feature. There is no need to sign up for another tool. Copy AI has covered you. The only downside is that the plagiarism checker is only available with a premium account. Otherwise, Copy AI is a fantastic tool for content creation. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, it's worth checking out. Have you ever spent hours brainstorming a creative domain name for your new business only to find that it's already taken? Well, have no fear, because smartynames.com is here to save the day. This fantastic website is an AI-driven tool that generates unique and catchy domain names for your business in just 20 seconds or less. First of all, the domain name search service offered by smartynames.com is not only fast, but it's also straightforward to use. You must enter a keyword or phrase related to your business, and the website will generate dozens of domain names ideas available for purchase. You can also use custom filters to narrow down your search and get even more targeted results. If you're looking for something unique, smartynames.com offers unusual alt TLDs that automatically select relevant alt TLDs for businesses. These can be a great way to stand out from the crowd and make your business even more memorable. And if you're worried about the cost of purchasing a domain name, don't be. smartynames.com offers premium .coms at regular prices, so you don't have to break the bank to get a great domain name. Plus, with domain availability across 500 extensions, you're sure to find something that works for you. Another great feature of smartynames.com is that it offers social media handle availability. You can check if the domain name you want is available on popular social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. These can be a real lifesaver if you use social media to promote your business. And if you're new to AI, you'll love the Novice, a publication that describes AI in simple terms and provides examples of fun and easy AI things to do at home. This can be a great way to learn about AI and how it's changing our world. One of the things that I love about this website is that it works with trusted partners like Name.com, GoDaddy, and Namecheap to make it easy to find the domain names you're looking for and purchase them directly. And if you're new to the world of AI, you can sign up for the Novice, a publication that describes AI in simple terms and provides examples of fun and easy AI things to do at home. In conclusion, if you're looking for a fast, easy, and affordable way to find the perfect domain name for your business, look no further than smartynames.com. With its advanced algorithms, unique old TLDs, and premium features, you're sure to find a domain name that will help your business stand out from the crowd. Have you ever struggled to come up with a name for your business or project? Are you staring at a blank page or whiteboard with no inspiration? Well, fear not, my friend, because Naming Magic is here to help. Naming Magic is not your average business naming tool. It's a powerful AI-driven engine that utilizes GPT-3 natural language technology to help entrepreneurs generate creative and memorable names for their companies. The device was created by Swift Ventures in collaboration with OpenAI, one of the leading AI research organizations in the world. The idea behind Naming Magic is simple: to make the process of naming a company accessible and stress-free for entrepreneurs. All you need to do is input a brief product description and a few keywords, and the tool will suggest potential ideas for you. The AI engine analyzes the information you provide and generates a list of relevant, unique, and brandable names. But what makes Naming Magic stand out from other naming tools is the technology behind it. GPT-3 is one of the most advanced and natural language models available today, with the ability to generate human-like text and understand complex language patterns. Using GPT-3, Naming Magic can offer a level of creativity and accuracy unmatched by other naming tools. The team behind Naming Magic includes the founders of TubeMogul, a video advertising platform acquired by Adobe in 2016. They know firsthand how challenging it can be to develop an excellent name for a company, and that's why they created this tool. Their experience and expertise have helped them create a device that is effective and easy to use. Swift Ventures is a venture capital firm that invests in early-stage companies focusing on AI and data-first businesses. They have a deep understanding of the power of AI and are always on the lookout for new ideas and innovative startups. So if you have an excellent idea for a business and need some help with naming, be sure to reach out to Swift Ventures. They might just be the partner you're looking for. In short, Naming Magic is a game-changing tool that makes naming a company fast, easy, and fun. Its advanced AI technology and user-friendly interface make it the perfect tool for entrepreneurs who want to focus on building their businesses rather than on finding a name. So if you're looking for a way to take the stress out of naming your company, give Naming Magic a try. You won't be disappointed.